Hi, my old friend. Good evening to all of you again. Hope you all are doing good and stay healthy. And thanking you for watching my previous video and this video too. Hopefully, you all benefited from my analysis. And if you benefited from my analysis, please do like this video and share with your friends and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the instant notification. This is the weekly analysis for next week, and today 25/07/2021 I am going to analyze the Dow Jones one major index and the next resistance levels of the Dow Jones 35,100 and then 35,600 to 35,770 and support level 34,750 and then 34,450. Expecting a new high next week. Please watch full chart analysis. Let's go to chart and stay with me. This is the DJ Industrial Average daily chart you will see. And one thing is the upper trend line broke and the rising wedges fall from the index is falling from the rising wedges. This is the bad sign, but still is try to create the new high again. And still it's trading the below this uptrend line. The green is the uptrend line is the for the Dow Jones, and index is still trading below that level below that trend line. You will see this is the green line and trade in below that trend line. And previous week you will see a gap down opening is there. That time I told all of you in my group Facebook group that this may be a bad signal, but after that black candle and 33,600 is my last support levels. Is take the support levels and the next day you will see it's a 1 day correction, and after that a white bar coming and the reversal bar you can say in the bar analysis, and in the candlestick formation it's a engulfing totally. A white bar come after a black bar, and after that second day it's close all the gap down. Within 2 days it's a close the all the gap down, so it's giving the another strong signal for the uptrend and upward direction you will see. And now it's you will see is going to touch the again a new high. So 35,100 at this moment is a very near a resistance, and after that 34,600 to 34,770 levels is the next resistance levels for the DJ Industrial Average. And expecting a new high from at this moment for the DJ Industrial Average. And the support levels is at this moment 34,000 600 to 660 levels, and then 34,440, 450 levels. $34,600 to 650 levels is the first support levels, and then 34,450 levels is the second support levels, you can say. You will see MACD 40 level, RSI 40 levels take the support. DJ industrial average is a very good sign, but in the daily it's trading below the 60 levels. So sideways movement is there, but MACD you will see is crossover happen, but daily in a still in a bearish mode. In MACD line is downing, and the dotted line also downing. So we have to be cautious at this moment. And a hanging man is there in the DJ industrial average weekly. So we have to be cautious at this moment. But a new high is expecting. But is it sustainable or not? That is to look forward at this moment of time. If new high is sustainable, then 35,600 and 35,600 to 35,770 is possible. And I'm expecting a new high. That's my view on the basis of technical analysis, because of that it's a fall, 1 day fall, and it's a sharp correction. You all see it's a 1 day fall and then sharp rise with a V-shaped recovery, you can say. So expecting a new high and with a sustainable. So Dow Jones Industrial next week resistance 35,100, then 35,600 to say 35,770, and support levels 34,750, and which it tells 34,600 to 650 levels is the most vital support levels, and then 34,450 is another good support levels. And we are expecting a new high on the basis of technical analysis and price chart analysis, and this is my view. And this channel, this video is making for educational purpose, or you can say learning purpose. I'm not recommending any buy or sell signal here. And if anyone wants to trade on my video, please do like this. Please consult with your financial advisor before taking any position, or you can analyze within yourself chart. If any problem arises, please write down in my comment box. I will try to help you. And if you benefited from my analysis, please do like this video, share with your friends, and subscribe my channel. And if anyone wants to join my technical analysis course, you can feel free to join my technical analysis course also. Thanking you to all of you again.